Hello everyone! For today's do-it-yourself project, you'll need a compressor that runs on 3 to 9 volts, an 18650 battery, a charging control board, a TP56, a small button, and a short piece of pipe. But I decided to use a round box from Some Vitamins. Its diameter was perfect for this do-it-yourself project. You need to mark the bottom part of the box. Using a hacksaw, cut off the marked part. You need to drill a hole in the center of the box and then make a recess at the top with a round file. Place the compressor in this part of the box. In the remaining part of the box, you also need to make a round recess at the top. The two parts should fit together well. Now solder 2 pieces of wire to the compressor motor and then wrap some electrical tape around it. The tape is needed so that the second part of the box fits tightly onto the motor. Put the box on and after that glue a piece of the bottleneck to it. Inside you need to place an 18650 battery, applying a little hot glue to it. In the bottle cap you need to make 2 holes. A button is inserted into one hole and a USB Type-C port into the other. The port is needed so that it can later be connected to the charge control board, TP4050 Zest. To keep it from falling out, we'll secure it with hot glue. Next, take the box with the compressor, the TP4050 Zest board, and connect everything according to the diagram shown on the screen. Here's my result. As you can see, everything works. Carefully place the board inside and screw the lid on. We double check that everything works, then take a small piece of tubing and glue it to the compressor inlet, where air is drawn in. To improve fixation, apply some baking soda to the glued area. Well, the homemade device is finished. As you can see, everything is done neatly. Now watch how it works. For example, we take a piece of sausage and put it in a bag, insert the tube into the bag and hold it tightly with our hand, turn on the switch and the compressor pulls the air out of the bag. As you can see, this turned out to be a food vacuum sealer. With its help you can pack different products in a bag, removing the air from them, and that way they will be stored longer. This homemade device is especially useful when the electricity is turned off for a long time, and to keep the food in the fridge from spoiling you can vacuum seal it. And it will also come in handy if, for example, you are going on a trip. With its help, you can even vacuum seal those very sandwiches so they don't spoil on the road. And this homemade device is charged using a regular mobile phone charger. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.